Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I did this look, which is a green and purple look with a little bit of coral, and I also added some glitter to my lids. And yeah, I hope you like it! Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to apply a primer, and I'm using the Lime Crime Candy Eyed Eyeshadow Helper. I'm going to place that all over my lid and all the way up to my brow. This will prevent the eyeshadows from creasing and make them last all day long. To make the eyeshadows really bright, I'm going to take NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to place that where I put the primer. Okay, and now I'm going to want a sharp line right here, so I'm going to take a piece of tape like this and just place it from the outer corner of my eye and up to my eyebrow. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and for that I'm going to use this color by Makeup Geek. It's called Sea Mist, and it's just a very beautiful teal dark green color. I'm going to pick that up with a small liner brush like this. What I like to do is to start cutting my crease kind of right above where my natural crease is. Then I'm also bringing this line in like so. Now I'm going to use this lighter green color. It's from Makeup Geek as well, and it's called Apple Teeny. I'm just going to go in with a pencil brush like this. Just following this line and slightly bringing it up. Now I'm going to take Sea Mist again. I'm going to apply that to my crease and kind of blend it a little bit up. Now to blend these darker greens out, I'm going to take a lighter green minty color called Shimmer Mint. It's from Makeup Geek. Now I'm going to pick up this matte white color from Sugar Pill, and it's called Taco. I'm placing this right underneath my eyebrows. Then I'm taking the same color on this larger eyeshadow brush just to blend down that white and kind of blend it into the greens. On the lid I'm going to apply this pale purple color from Makeup Geek, and it's called Wisteria. I'm applying this to the middle of my lid. I'm also going to use a darker purple on my lid, and I'm going to use this one by Sugar Pill called Poison Plum. I'm just applying that to the outer and inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to use this light purple glitter base from NYX, and I'm placing it all over my lid. I'm going to use a pale lavender colored glitter in the center of my lid, and I'm going to use this glitter number 10 from the Nail Dazzle. Now I'm taking a darker purple glitter, and this one's called Royal Purple, and it's from NYX. I'm using the same brush as before, and I'm going to apply it to the inner and outer part of my lid. And then you want to kind of blend the two glitters together. Now I'm going to remove this piece of tape carefully, like so. I've got some glitter fallout, so I'm going to take a piece of tape and just kind of get rid of those. Now to make this coral gap right here, I'm going to use a piece of tape again, and I'm just going to place that right underneath the other line, like so. Then I'm taking my liner brush again, let's see, and Apple Teeny. Now I'm just following the line of that tape. Okay, like so. And then I'm taking that up. Now I'm going to apply this apple green along my lower lash line. I'm applying this white color from Sugar Pill again, just as a highlight in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm taking Sea Mist again, and I'm placing that very close to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to blend all these colors out using Shimmer Mint again. Now I'm going to use NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk again on this small concealer brush, and I'm just gonna fill in this gap right here. Over that white I'm going to take this color from Makeup Geek called Mango Tango, and it's a peach coral color. I'm just gonna apply that with an angled brush. I'm going to fill in my lower waterline with NYX Milk. Then I'm going to set that with Taco. To line my eyes I'm going to use this L'Oreal Super Liner in Carbon Gloss. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline 1x1 Volume Express Mascara, applying this to my lower lashes. The lashes I'm using are these ones from Sugar Pill Cosmetics, and they're called Toxic. On my cheeks I'm using this color from Makeup Mecca called Sparkling Rose, and it's a pink coral colored blush. And on my lips I'm using this coral lipstick by Makeup Geek called Charming, and I think it goes very well with that little pop of coral that I have on my eyes. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope that you liked this tutorial and that I will see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye!